welcome back to JJ's channel. This is the second video in the two-part series covering our 2-night, 3-day camping trip to Pinery Provincial Park. As mentioned in the previous video, we had a site in the Burley campground. This was a special trip because we were joined by JJ's cousin GT and his family. JJ helped out by setting up 2 tents. It's a good thing we had a big site. In total we had 3 tents, a kitchen tent, and still parked 2 cars on site. Unfortunately, I didn't get a shot of our final setup. First order of business, Pokemon cards. After that, we went to explore the amphitheater and the visitor center.
Zygon, Machop, Trapinch, Diggersby, Onyx.
Please take care driving at all times, but especially so inside provincial parks. Let's be safe and keep each other safe. Respect posted speed limits and watch out for oncoming traffic around the curves. When the park is busy, there's a lot of cyclists, pedestrians, and young children on the roads. To start exploring the park, we headed over to the visitor center parking lot. From there, you can walk along a short trail to access the amphitheater. There were no scheduled programs, but the boys had a great time. JJ's doing his best to keep up with GT. Pinery Provincial Park can be broken up into 2 sections, one for day use and the other for campsites. The visitor center can be found in between the two in the middle of the park. The center features turtle and fish aquariums along with exhibits on the park's natural history. There's also an indoor theater featuring wildlife videos.
Wait, where's the spotted turtle?
On top of that, do you see the corner? Right there, you see it?
Oh, there!
Next up, a stroll on the Riverside Trail. We chose this trail because at 1 kilometer long, it was one of the shorter trails at Pinery. It's a flat trail with benches and viewing platforms along the way, giving the boys a chance to take breaks. But the trail was a bit too long for JJ as he shuts it down near the finish line. Good thing JJ's aunt was prepared for that.
Face the camera.
People down!
So, what you doing down here, buddy?
Resting since I ran so much and walked so much.
At the time of our visit, there were 8 different flavors of Shaw's ice cream, along with 2 different types of slushies. JJ went for black sweet cherry and got a boost from GT. Thanks GT, and GT got a blue slushie.
And sweet and salty pretzel too.
1, please.
1.
Yeah, eat them. Did you get the slushie yet?
Thank you.
Super big.
Ice cream. I'm eating a black cherry ice cream.
And what do you think of it?
I think it tastes like cherry.
And on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give it?
10 million.
And then before you do it, attach to me.
Okay, Daddy, food tax time.
After a late lunch, we headed to the beach. It was a short walk because the trail to the beach was conveniently located near our campsite. Even though it was a beautiful day, there was only one other family on the beach, so we pretty much had it all to ourselves. Later in the evening, GT wanted to go back to the beach to take in the sunset. As you can see, it was beautiful. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for the next JJ's Adventure series.